नमस्कार, मी प्रज्ञा मयेकर. मी ITI गर्ल्स ठाणे येथे सेक्रेटरियल प्रॅक्टिस व्यवसाय शिकवतो. आज मी तुम्हाला शहाणूक दाखवणार आहे. शहाणूक तुम्ही यापूर्वी शिकला असाल तुमच्या टीचरकडून. आज मी तसं रिवाइज करणार आहे. सो शहाणूक, as you know, it is a large hook as well as it is a small hook. Today I am going to teach you about rules about large hook. Okay? Basically there are two rules. जर आपण बघितलं तर तिथे बेसिकली दोन रूल्स आहेत. फर्स्ट इज अबाउट कर्व्स अँड सेकंड इज अबाउट स्ट्रेट. कर्व स्ट्रोक्स ना आतल्या बाजूला आपण शहाणूक लिहितो. वी आर रायटिंग large hook, that is large shahnook inside all curved strokes. And what about straight stroke? So basic rule is shahnook is written on the opposite side of an initial attachment to a straight stroke. Okay, this is quite a big rule. हा थोडा मोठा रूल आहे आणि तुम्हाला लक्षात ठेवण्यासाठी मी तुम्हाला एक हिंट देणार आहे. शहाणूक इज रिटन लिहिला जातो. ओके, शहाणूक इज रिटन कुठे लिहिला जातो असा तुम्ही याला प्रश्न विचारायचा. ओके, यू आस्क क्वेश्चन वेअर इट इज रिटन. द आन्सर इज ऑन द अपोजिट साइड. व्हाट इज द आन्सर? ऑन द अपोजिट साइड. अगेन आस्क क्वेश्चन 2, ऑन द अपोजिट साइड. ऑन विच साइड? On whose side? Opposite side. Sorry. On whose opposite side? कोणाच्या opposite side ला लिहिला जातो? तर of an initial attachment. कोणाच्या opposite side ला लिहिला जातो? की तो initial attachment च्या विरुद्ध बाजूला लिहिला जातो. आणि initial attachment कोणाला आहे? Again ask question. Okay. तर ते कोणाला असेल? To a straight stroke. कोणाला असेल? To a straight stroke. एकदम इझी आहे लक्षात ठेवण्यासाठी. आणि हा तुम्ही बेसिक रूल जर लक्षात ठेवला तर तुम्हाला पुढचे पण इझी वाटतील. ओके, परत एकदा आपण बघू की शहाणूक हा काय आहे? लार्ज फायनल हुक आहे आणि त्याचे साऊंड्स काय आहेत? आयदर शन और जन. शन इज अ लाइट साउंड and जन इज heavy sound. Okay, and for these two sounds there are many what spellings. कोणते कोणते स्पेलिंग्स आहेत? तर TION आपल्याला सर्वांना माहित आहे. देन SION, then SSION, etc. etc. Okay, these are the spellings for this shun. And what are the sounds? Light sound is shun and heavy sound is jun. Okay, so again we will go to the rules. For curves we can write inside. There is only one rule for writing shun, that is shahnook is written inside all curved strokes. Then what about straight strokes? Shahnook is written कुठे लिहिला जातो? On the opposite side. कोणाच्या opposite side ला? तर of an initial attachment. And ते कोणाला आहे initial attachment? To a straight stroke. Okay, got it? If there is no such an initial attachment, then how it is written? So we will see the next rule. The shahnook is written on the opposite side is common. Okay, shahnook is written on the opposite side. Opposite side. Now to whose opposite side? Of the last vowel. Of the last vowel. Instead of initial attachment, here is last vowel. Okay. To a straight stroke. Not having initial attachment. or without an initial attachment. You can say without an initial attachment. Okay, without having initial attachment, without any initial attachment, the Shanuk is written on the opposite side of last vowel. What is the rule? It is written on the opposite side of the last vowel when attached to a straight stroke. Okay. Then what is the last vowel? A last vowel म्हणजे काय आहे? तर आपण आधी Shanuk जो लिहिला आहे फर्स्ट रूल मध्ये त्याचे एक्झाम्पल्स आपण पाहूया. Okay. First is what? Example is station. Station. The word consists S, then T, then shan. Okay. These are the consonants and vowels are A. I'm sorry, it is here. Stay, shan. Okay, vowel is A. In between ST and shan. So what is the outline for this? S circle, T on the line and Shanuk is on the opposite side of the circle S. Circle S is an initial attachment. So Shanuk is written on the opposite side of this initial attachment. So S circle is on the following side, then Shan will come on the preceding side. And vowel is A vowel that is on the following side of T. Okay. The next example is what? Caution. Caution. In this word, K and shan are the consonants. Okay. K is the consonant and shan is the syllable. Okay. Vowel is what? O. Vowel is O, that is on the following side of K. And in the word auction, same consonants are there, K and shan. Shan is the again one syllable. So O vowel comes before K. O vowel comes before K. It is on the preceding side in auction and it is on the following side in caution. Okay, so this is the last vowel which comes before shan. Okay, which comes before shan is the last vowel. Then this vowel is on the following side of K. So we will write K above the line and shan on the preceding side because it is on the vowel is on the following side. Then in the word auction, again we will write K and shan. But in this word we will write on the following side. Shan we will write on the following side because O vowel is on the preceding side of K. So shan will be written on the following side of K. The stroke you have to keep in mind to which it is attached and the last vowel is most important in this rule. Okay. Then the next rule is what? After T, D and J. After T, D, J, it is always written on the following side. If there is no initial attachment, is important. When there is no initial attachment, there are exceptions. Okay. For a straight stroke, you have to see whether there is initial attachment. Then Shanuk will go to the following side or on the opposite side of that initial attachment. And if there is no initial attachment, first we will see the last vowel. And what is the next rule? After T, D, J, without initial attachment, it is written on the following side. It is always written on the following side. always written on the following side. This is important. This word station, okay, look at this word. After T, Shanmukh has come, but this T has an initial attachment, that is S circle. Okay, we will see next example, another example, that is rotation. Okay, what is the example? Rotation. R, P are the consonants and Shan is the syllable. And what are the vowels? O and A. Here ro, te, A. Okay, rotation. So Shan has come after T here. Okay, there is no initial attachment. R is not an initial attachment to T. Then what about the rule? Without an initial attachment, after TDJ, it is always written on the following side, that is with the which motion? Left motion. So the outline is Re on the line, T and Shan. Shan will go to the following side. This is the rotation. And after what? Last rule is what? After FK or VK. FK and VK. Okay. After FK and VK, Shanmukh is written. Shanmukh is written with which motion? Right motion. Which motion? Right motion is used, and after LK and LG, LK and LG, it is written with left motion. Which motion? Left motion. Okay. You can see examples in chapter. Chapter number is 16 from Pitman's shorthand book. Okay, these are the rules for writing Shanmukh. Thank you.